DCP members across the Republic, fellow citizens. It is with pride that we announce the return of our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, following a highly successful official tour of the United States of America. I am pleased to announce to the country that his plane will land at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on Thursday, 21st August 2025 at exactly 12 noon. During his highly successful USA visit, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, our party leader, met Kenyans in Seattle, Boston, Dallas, Kansas City, and Baltimore, launching DCP satellite offices in key states, including Texas and Washington. He rallied our brothers and sisters abroad to prepare for active political participation and to return home to help rebuild this nation from the ruins of corruption and misrule. It is well known and deeply troubling fact that State House, Nairobi, has become less a seat of national leadership and more a theater of betrayal, a scene of crime where backroom deals are struck, not in service of the Kenyan people, but in league with butchers of children in neighboring countries. Within those guarded walls, the future of our nation is battered away from crumbs of tokenism as the destiny of millions could be traded like cheap trinkets. Decisions made there do not echo with the voice of the people. They reek of the stench of greed, complicity, and moral decay, turning what should be the heart of our democracy into an auction house for our sovereignty and birthright of generations to come. While our party leader was abroad, forging a path for democracy renewal, the regime was hatching a dangerous and cold-blooded plot. Deputy President Kithure Kindiki and Interior Minister Kipchumba Murkomen have shamelessly issued public threats to arrest His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua upon his arrival. Intelligence reaching us points to a scheme so evil, so cowardly, that it chills the soul. Their intent is to subject our party leader to slow and silent assassination by poisoning, the very same cruel method once inflicted on the late Kenneth Matiba while in state custody. This is not hearsay. It is a deliberate plot to silence the voice of the people of Kenya by physically destroying its leadership. Their plan upon our party leader's arrival at JKIA is to abduct, intimidate, brutalize, and eventually place him under house arrest, cut him off from his supporters, and deny him the right to address the nation. They want to kill his voice and his body at the same time. But let this be crystal clear. If they dare lay a hand on him, the country will grind to a halt. They did this during his impeachment. He responded by asking his supporters to stand down and protest by singing melodies. But this time round, let the plotters know that the song is different. The rhythm is tougher, and we will turn into a cacophony of defiance. There comes a time when enough has to be enough, and that time is now. Honorable Nelson Koech, the chairperson of the National Assembly Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations Committee, has revealed another calculated provocation, a plan to divert His Excellency regarding Gachagua's flight to Mombasa or Kisumu International Airports so that they deny him an opportunity to give a much anticipated address to the nation. This disruptive plan by a paranoid regime will not only disrupt the travel plans of innocent passengers, but also risk damaging Kenya's foreign relations. Our message is simple. We will not be intimidated. If they divert the plane, our supporters in Kisumu and Mombasa will turn those airports into oceans of DCP colors and defiance. This threat is not new. It is part of a sustained campaign to cripple the opposition with brutality. Our leaders have been tear-gassed, beaten up, and humiliated in several parts of our country, including Subukia, Kakamega, Gilgil, Murang'a, and even within the walls of sacred places of worship. This is the mark of a regime that fears the people's will and seeks to drown it in violence. We are calling upon our supporters in Nairobi, Kisumu, and Mombasa to turn up in unprecedented numbers. This is not just a welcome. It is a statement to the world that Kenya belongs to her people, not to a clique of power-hungry men who weaponize the state against its citizens. His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, our party leader, has cut short his trip to return home and give leadership in the coming by-elections. This is a moment of reckoning. I urge all the DCP supporters and Kenyans yearning for change to turn up in large numbers at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to welcome our beloved party leader. Your presence is your power. Your numbers are your shield. Your unity is our victory. The Democracy for the Citizens Party's message is clear. Kenya will not be auctioned. Not now. Together, we will reclaim our country, restore truth, dignity, and justice, and build a government that serves with humility. Thursday at 12 noon will be the return of our general, our beloved party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. I urge you, be there, stand firm, stand proud, and stand for Kenya. We ask our party members to start converging at JKIA from 6 a.m. in the morning. We will be there with song and dance to welcome our hero, our party leader, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua. Thank you.